Hello and welcome back to Stunt Life. In today's tutorial we will be looking at something called the Kong Vault. It's a parkour move which has got a lot of attention ever since a film came out called Casino Royale. So let's take a look at how it's done. So, first thing to do is to find yourself a table like this one over here, preferably a little more sturdier than this one if you can, but one like this will still work. So if you're trying to learn a Kong Vault on a longer table like this one, then I assume that you can already do a shorter version of the Kong Vault over shorter areas, or just like a short fence or something. So it's important that you know how to do that first before obviously going on to do this. Let's say you can do that and you're a pro at doing that. And now you want to tackle this. First thing you want to do is, unlike the simpler version of the Kong Vault, for this one, you're going to need to get a good running start. You're going to have to build up quite a bit of speed in order to then jump right before the table in order to clear that. So that's step number one, is to get a good running start. And now you have arrived at the table, or the thing that you are vaulting over, right? And so step number two is to jump. Pretty easy, right? And it's important that you're jumping with both your legs. When you get to the table, you sort of stop down and leap up with both your legs, because you need that power in order to clear the table. So you run up to the table and you sort of plant both legs. Well, not plant, you're bouncing off both your legs. Don't just run up to the table and use the momentum of your speed and then just kind of use one of your legs to sort of, you know, jump over. It's not going to work, because you need the power from both your legs, and you need to actually jump. So that's important. Do not do this. So step number two is to jump. Run up to the table and sort of bop down with both legs and use the power of both of your legs to jump over the table. And if you get this far and you're actually able to jump over the table, then you might, as happens to a lot of people, you're probably going to be scared your first few times to actually, you know, go over the whole table, and it's going to end up looking something like this. But that's okay, because that's already a good start. And now we come to step number three, which is, after you've arrived at the table and you are jumping, it's important that you extend your body out. Make your body straight, your legs straight, think flat, think stretched out, right? You want to try to make your legs go higher than your body. That's what makes this move look a lot better when you jump and your legs go nice and high. Jump, extend your body out, and then step number four is tuck in. Jump. This is where having a strong core is going to come in handy, because your core needs to be strong enough in order to lift your legs up to miss the table so that your feet don't hit the table. And it's going to be hard to do because your body is going to be extended like this, and you need to quickly rush your legs up as close as you can to your chest. So step one, good running start. Step two, stop at the table, use both your legs, jump up. Step number three, extend your legs up higher than the rest of your body. And step four is the tuck in. And that's what happens when you don't tuck in quick enough, is you end up sort of hitting your feet on the edge of the table, and it can It can be dangerous. You might end up hitting your feet to the point where you won't be able to get them over and then end up flying face first into the ground and eating a lot of dirt. And when you get over the table and your feet have gone over the edge of the table, make sure you still got to use your legs, right? And you still got to make sure you land well and you land strong, because what happens a lot is you will go over the table but your legs aren't in a position to land strong, and you kind of end up fumbling or tripping, which can also be dangerous. So you get over the edge of the table and land strong, plant your feet down strong. In fact, you might want to put down some kind of padding when you practice over in front of the table and maybe even around the table, so that if you fall you don't hurt yourself. Well, there you have it. Those are the basic steps of how to do a Kong vault. Go out there and practice, but remember, stay safe. And if you're unsure about whether you can do this, if you're not sure that you can do it safely in a safe environment, then it'd probably be best not to do it at all. So start off small and gradually increase to this, and you should be good. Thanks for watching.